Students, class 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, this is the letter to editor. I am going to teach how to write letter to editor. First of all, you must know that to whom letter to editor is written. Letter to editor is written to the editor of any newspaper. First thing, newspaper, magazine, and other any social magazine or social papers. Papers, newspaper, magazines, etc. Newspaper is editor. Letter to editor is written, and letter to editor is written not for the purpose of self solution. It is not. Letter to editor is written only problems related to the society, that is related to the social problems. Letter to editor is written only to the editor, and if you write to editor to publish or not publish to your request, to your problem in his her magazine, newspaper, etc., it depends on him. He is not bound to or obliged to publish. So by writing letter to editor, in other word, I can say or anyone can say that it is the humble request before editor from the side of you to publish your problem, your locality problem in his her high estimated newspaper. So during the writing of letter to editor, your voice, your language, your writing words must be polite language, etc., humble language, requesting language. And last thing you must keep in your mind that you never ask to solve your problem to the editor, but you only have right to request before editor to publish your problem, not to solve problem. So here what is needed when you start to write letter to editor? First thing, address of the letter writer, means the person who is writing letter. Address is needed, not name. Name we here at last. First thing, address. Second thing, second number, date. Third number, you will write by writing addressing the editor. You can mention here two, but two is not needed in modern time. So the editor, and at fourth place एडिटर. तो न्यूज़पेपर कहीं पब्लिश हो रहा है तो उस लोकेलिटी का नाम, जैसे कि आपने यहाँ एड्रेस दिया है वहाँ पे एड्रेस ऑफ एडिटर, एंड देन फिफ्थ, at the fifth place, subject, means on what topic you are going to write, what is your request, what topic, on which, what is your problem. That is, यह सब्जेक्ट आपका फैटल एक्सीडेंट्स हो रहे हैं ड्यू टू रफ रोड्स. सो रफ रोड के कारण आप तो यहाँ पे लिखोगे फैटल एक्सीडेंट्स ड्यू टू रफ roads, and nothing more is to need here to write. And at sixth place, addressing word sir, man, etc., whatever be there. And at seventh place, you start the body of the letter, and your body will be divided into three parts. Keep attention here. Three parts, that is introductory, introductory part, main part, and concluding part. What is introductory part? Introductory part means you will start to write from starting your subject, whatever is mentioned in your subject. In 2 or 3 lines, you shall mention your problem, your locality, introduction, in 2-3 lines in the beginning of the body of the letter. In main body, cause, effect, and other problems, whatever be there, you will mention in main body. And in concluding body, you will give some suggestion, some request will be made from your side, some suggestion will be given how to solve this problem, etc. You will write in concluding body, and then after concluding, you will write at the place thanking you, and your XYZ and signature, etc., and introduction, and thus your work will complete. So I am going to start first. What is need address of the letter writer? Sohan Sila is the person in his their locality. This problem is there. So the person who is writing means you are writing letter to the editor. So your address must be here. So your address is N114 VIP Road, Banga. This is the first condition is fulfilled. Now after writing this and this be in like this, just straight line. After you will write 4th date, that is 4th June 2020, and after that you will write the editor, name of the editor from here, the Hindu. Varanasi. In this way, first thing, second thing, and this is the third thing. Third and sorry, this is the third thing, and this is the fourth thing. Is fulfilled there, and after that, fifth thing, what is subject? What is the subject? Fatal accidents due to the frauds. Accidents due to rough roads. And after that, at sixth place, sir oblique man, comma. You will do this, and after this you will start seventh step, that is body of the letter, and your body will run like this. First, introductory, that is some fixed words I am giving here. You may learn that, memorize that, and you will be able to write anyhow here. Otherwise, you can write in other words also. So first here, I am going to write introductory word through this letter. I would like to request. Now there is no need of all such things this here, so I am going to erase. I would like to request to publish my locality problems in your highly esteemed, or at the place of highly esteemed you can write huge, sensational, well known, well popular, etc. words. Highly esteemed newspaper. In 2 lines, your introduction is completed. If something more is needed or is in your mind, you can write here. Then you will start the second, that is the main body. This is the introductory body of your letter. Now, introductory body was here, and now it is completed. Now, main body. What is the main body of the letter? By changing little bit para, you must start to write that these days my locality is facing fatal accidents due to rough roads. Thou such condition are due to excess release of water from houses and animals on roads, trucks, etc. We try to solve this problem by making understand to people, but no one is ready to understand. Now here is like a place, so I am going here. To understand. We have met with local authorities many times, but there is no response. Means by writing so you are giving here from here in these two lines and here, so you are showing that you have tried yourself according to condition to solve your problem, but now till you are unable to solve in spite of lot of efforts. So all these are being shown. You can't write directly that ये प्रॉब्लम है सॉल्व कर, नहीं, आप पहले अपना एफर्ट तो शो करोगे इसमें हमने क्या क्या किया, अब असफल है, अब आप ही हमारे सहारा हैं. सो बट देयर इज नो रिस्पॉन्स फ्रॉम them. So and now I am, due to lack of place, I am concluding this in short form, short lines, but you can write something more, whatever in your mind you can write here. So kindly publish our problems so that it may come in cognizance of higher authorities. We shall be obliged to you or whatever you. This is not necessary to write, etc. In this way, you will conclude or complete your main body. Other things also, whatever you have activities made or comes in your mind, you can write here, and then it starts concluding body. And in concluding body, you are giving suggestion. Say some someone to. So, I suggestion. I want to suggest that if any pond or drainage system is made available, then this problem can be solved easily. In this way, you will give by changing para some concluding line, suggestion, etc. and thus your letter edit to editor application or letter will complete. And then at the left hand side lower bottom, last bottom left hand side corner, you will write here thanking you. And when you write you, after writing thanking you, you will sign your name, that is Sohan Public Sheila. And after writing this at last, you will complete it, or you can write a concerned citizen or a responsible citizen. You can write, you cannot write. In this way, you can write letter to editor. If you belong to any school, etc., any society, then the chairperson of society or member of the society, name of the society can be written. But after writing your signature, thanking your signature, etc., in this way, this format of your letter to editor completes. This signature may come here, thanking you remain here. There is no change in the place of thanking you, but your signature may come here also in recognition, etc. Suppose Sohan Singha, I am erasing from here. You can write here. There is no place. Correct. There is no doubt. But here you can write sincerely Sohan Sila or concerned citizen or जो भी हो chairperson of welfare society. In this way, your letter to editor completes either by writing here your name or here, that does not matter. But never forget, this is only example, sample to write. And if you want to explain more, the main body of your letter may be extended by writing your problem, your efforts in long way. Anyway, I have tried only to present sample before you, but you can express in broadly your writings. And examination word limit becomes 120 to 140. I think more, not more than this, 120 to 140 words you are to write your letter. So in this way, you can complete your letter writing. Now, thank you. Have a nice day. Go through your books, your study.